Okay, this guy is setting his 5 elements, I think, completely randomly.
Yeah. This board game is named The Quest of Master Alchemist, which is really fun to play. So
Okay, I
now,
hope so.
now it's me setting up the mystery potion for my apprentice to solve.
Apprentice, okay. Hi, Master.
Alright, let's start.
Okay, so he will bond the elements according to their potential reaction to each other. Do you have an example card for the reaction?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so as we can see in the picture here, the card I have here is water. He will bond with the green and orange element, which correspond to what is green?
Earth.
Earth, and orange is air, I believe. The red is fire, and the black one is the aether.
Ether.
Ether,
Yeah.
yeah, whatever the ancient Greek believe there is. Okay, so as we can see, there's a bond there, so they might be whatever this pair could be. Okay, and for this game we have an initial threat or initial clue, whatever. So I basically take a random card from the elements that is not from this 5 we are going to guess here. So the one I take out is a green. So what I can do is I can choose let me see, I can choose a place between these cards to insert this
Between any two cards.
between any 2 cards.
But now this one,
according to the game's rule, once 2 elements are bound there, they will not react to the
card beside it.
adjacent elements.
Yeah.
So for my purpose, I probably want to place it here. I mean, I'm not an expert of this game. Not even the designer is. So just play it for fun.
So, when he plays this card
Here,
into the mysterious solution,
yeah, he will
and
check
I will check if
to see
these 2
if
cards
any reaction
can
will
react with this card.
I mean, if both can react to the Earth here, he can just choose which one he want to.
But unfortunately,
There's
no reaction.
So what I know now is this one is not red or blue, because if it is red and blue or blue, it will react to this Earth. Earth element here. So what I can do is, we don't really have I don't really have a black indicator here, so I will just use the brown one for the black. Oh yeah, and the deck set card can be an earth element too as well, because an element won't react to itself. So, sorry, orange one. So same for the other side. It has 3 possibilities. Yeah,
Orange.
Orange. Yeah, okay. So this is the basic information I have. So, let me see. What can I do right now? Okay. I actually don't really know what should I do right now.
You might want to use a function card, like
Yeah.
South, Mercury,
Yeah, I know,
or
but
Summer.
I need to think about it a little bit.
Okay.
It is.
It's a deduction game, so.
I think what I will do right now is Actually, I want to. Yeah. Well, the way you
I
the
can
way you
already
play a
play.
game is you should use your functional cards, which are set here. Uh, Let me see. There are basically three kind of functional cards here. Yeah, one of them is sulfur. I will show that later. One of this is mercury. Mercury just lets you switch any two cards.
Position.
The two cards position on the board right now, but you cannot switch the position of the already bound element. For example, this one, I cannot switch the position of that one for now. So I guess I will use mercury right now, and as I introduced, the function of this card is just switch the position, you know, of any two cards on the board. So what I will do right now, I will switch this to its position, and let my master check if there's any reaction happen, after the switch.
Nope.
There's no reaction. So let me see. So if this one is orange, that one will be orange. Or green, I guess. Okay. It seems like this doesn't give me much information. But what I can do right now is, I think, because there's no reaction and there's as you can see, so many possibilities here. Maybe what I can do right now is I want to check if these two are actually the same element. So I can use one of the, yeah, we have three functional cards. One of them is the mercury I just used. The other one is the sulfur I just showed you. The other one is here, the salt. What you can do with this card is you can place it between any two cards to see if actually they are the same element. If they are the same element, they just stay there, and the salt card just stay between those two cards. If they are the two cards beside this salt card, they are actually not the same, this card will just disappear and goes to the functional cards pile you have already used. So what I will try now is I will put it here to see these two cards are the same element.
Okay. The sub card stay.
So they are actually the same. So if they are the same, I'm not sure if this helps a lot. So apparently they are both orange or both green or both.
Either.
Yeah, either. I guess that's still not a lot of information for me.
Let's swap those two cards.
Yeah. That
Yeah,
works.
I know that.
So I will know if it is green or not.
Yep.
So yeah, that's a good idea. Apparently my master are giving me some hints, huh? So I just use another mercury card to switch the salt card with one of the elements here.
And the card dropped.
So I know it's not green. I can exclude that possibility. So it's either both orange or brown. Or I think it's ether.
Ether.
Ether or whatever. Okay. What can I do right now? Oh yeah, but I forgot. You have another option. Beyond these three functional cards, what you can do is you can take a random card from the element pile. My master just take cards out from. You can, you can take a card out from there as well. But this move will also count towards your cost. Basically, for each of these cards you used, they'll take cost. After the game, you will count how many costs you have, consumed, to decide how good you are at, how good you are for this game. So I'll pay some other extra cost for taking the card out from the element pile. Okay.
Seems
so,
like you're lucky,
so it's actually an orange one.
which is good.
Yeah, I guess. So for the orange card, I think I should pull out this a little bit more earlier so I can just insert while the salt is still there.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever.
But those two cards are the same. So once you
Yeah,
know,
no,
yeah,
I know. So maybe I should.
you can know those two cards right now after you use this one.
Yeah, I know. So maybe what I will do right now is I will put my orange card here to see if it reacts.
Okay.
Uh,
Choose this. Whoa.
it will. So I know that's a brown color because an orange won't react to itself. So I also know that one is a. Yeah, I also know that one is also the black. Basically, just because the orange won't react to with itself.
3 cards to go.
Yeah, but there's still like 3 cards to go. What I can do right now is maybe I can just use a Mercury to switch the position of this two to see if I can get more information there.
Alright. So, nope,
No.
nothing happened.
So this one is not blue or red, which means it will be again like green, brown, or
Red. No, it cannot be red.
the orange.
Never mind, orange, yeah.
So let me see. Oh yeah. So I think for now, yeah, I have to use the
Sulfur card.
sulfur card. I think this card is a little bit more complicated. You when you use it, you attach this card to some of the element, either the face down one or face up one.
You can attach it to salt too.
To what?
To salt?
Oh, to salt?
Yeah, it can basically attach to any card.
To
on the
any
board.
card, and then you choose either salt or
5 elements.
or one of these 5 color elements, and that card just become the stuff you just designated. So basically, for sometimes this card will just bond together. They don't react to other cards, so you have to use a sulfur to break the bond and try to get more information from that. So
You don't have much choice, just use there.
yeah, I guess. So first thing I can do is I will probably put my sulfur on that card. But
Okay.
let me choose which color I want it to become. Let me see. If I let it become I think for this case I will just want it to be red.
Okay.
Not really. No. Let me see. Become. I want it to become. Whatever. I will just let it become maybe a green.
Okay. Green, right? Let me check. Alright. The bond break.
Yeah. Okay. So
I'll use the little house token
Oh yeah,
to
use a house.
represent each
Okay,
change.
it has been. But the thing is, I still need to guess the original card beneath it. Okay, so now it becomes a green. And so this card doesn't react with green, which means it should be, again, a brown or orange. Because, yeah, it doesn't react with the green, so it has to be this too.
What if it's green?
Yeah, I always forgot that. Or maybe a green again, huh? But if it is orange, it will.
Oh
bond.
wait, I should check this one.
Okay.
I forgot. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
My master made some mistake, I guess.
Yeah, I'm sorry. And yeah, they bond to each other. Ooh.
They bond to each other? Okay, I know that one is a brown, so if something reacts with brown,
It's a yellow orange, right?
something brown, it's either red or orange,
Yeah,
but red will bond with green, and since the green just break away with this one, so it's not red, and it's bond with black one here, so it has to be orange.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Basically, 2 more to go.
One more to go.
No,
two
more to
two
go.
more. Yeah, you didn't know this one.
What I will do is,
How about just remove this alpha card?
I think so. But even if I remove the sulfur card,
Then you can check those two, which cannot be checked before.
no, because I already know. Oh yeah, that's true. Actually, he's right. But I think I need to. Yeah, I will just remove the sulfur card to see this.
Then this card became the original card. And guess what?
Okay.
Nope. That's better.
Whatever way. Whatever way my master decide to. He can decide, if the 2 cards just bond
Stack
with
together,
each other, stack together. He can decide which one he want to put on top of the other one. So it's either red or blue. Okay. So I think a way I can check either that one is red or blue is I can use a sulfur card to make it black. If if bond with it, then it's red. If it doesn't, then it's blue. Yeah, I think so.
Do you want to do that?
Yeah, but I'm thinking,
Mm-hmm.
it can be symmetrically played. I can also choose a orange one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Orange one and
You can
yeah.
choose whatever animal you want.
this too. But I am thinking once detached, once I make it a sulfur, whatever. I don't want to think that much. I would just use another sulfur to make it orange. Maybe just make it orange.
Okay. Orange, right?
Yeah.
The air. Alright. Still remain the same.
So since it become orange and still attached to the element here, so there must be a blue. So now I know, yeah, almost there.
Almost.
I think one other thing I can do is, let's see, the orange, let me see. This one can be either red or, orange or blue or black. So it's one of the three. No, sorry, green, black, or orange. I think one way I can do is reacts with these two. I think one thing I'm going to do right now is use another sulfur card
Okay.
to make this card a blue. Oh, sorry.
All right. Blue.
I know this one is black, and black doesn't react with blue.
So it will break. Let me check. If it's true. Yeah, it's true.
If it breaks, you can choose either way you want to put.
Yeah, I know. Wait. That's actually the same.
It's actually the same. Okay.
I don't know. I'm not good. I'm not good at this game as well. I'll just put it here.
Yeah, he's the designer though. Whatever.
Right.
If that's the
Blue is here, and wait, I didn't finish my
okay
reaction.
response. Yeah.
Yeah.
Blue might bond to this one. It reacts to both with both green and orange.
All right, it stays here.
It stays here, so it's not green or orange. So it's a black. You maybe can put it there.
Yeah, that's better.
So now I finished my reasoning and could check if I'm correct. So I guess this one is orange, and that one should be black. Yeah,
Which is correct.
this one should be a blue,
Mm-hmm.
and this one should also be a black.
Yep.
And the final way, this one is also a black.
Great.
Okay, so we finished the game, and the way you check to calculate your score is you put all the cards that you use on the stack. Yeah, another sulfur here, and then calculate the cost you have used for, for this round. One sulfur costs you 2 points, so that's 6. Mercury also only costs you 1. Salt costs another 2, another 1, another 1.
You used 2 element cards too.
Did I actually use 2 element cards?
Yes, you do.
Okay, maybe.
No, yes, you do.
Okay, so I guess I'm not very good at this game, but I hope this gives
You
you.
did pretty well, dude.
I think this gives you a little bit, idea how this game is like. Yeah, thanks for watching.